We are ready for our acceleration test. The car is empty. I emptied the back. The only thing left in the car is a mobile connector up front. All right, let's head to the test track. As we left the house here, you can see where I have Draggy. It's kind of tucked underneath the air conditioning vent. And we're leaving with 89%. We've got quite a bit of a distance to go here before we get to the test track. It's a nice day. It's Draggy talking. See, Draggy stuck in the cup holder here. Just heading that way. Yes, I'm headed to the famous test track where I run all of the 0 to 60 times. It's a desolate piece of road, not used, out in the county, and I'll do this test there. To give you a little bit of background, the car here is a 2023 Austin-made long-range Model Y. I've changed out the stock wheels to Martian wheels, and that's it. That's all except for me. In here, it's all it is. I'm 240 pounds, so I add that weight to it, plus a couple cell phones and the weight of a Draggy. There is a mobile connector up in the front. That's the only added weight. So when I get there, we'll run 2 runs. The 2 runs will then be interrupted because I'm going to go online. And I'm going to add the power boost, which I think adds about 70 horsepower. It's supposed to add 0.7 of a second 0 to 60 time. And then I'll rerun the test a few minutes later after the update has been sent to the car. And then we'll see the difference between a stock Model Y and the power boosted Model Y. Should be an interesting test. Just driving down the road here with all this traffic. One car and a motorcycle behind me. Yeah, this is the county. My buddy Phil saved the day. Yeah, I don't use the Draggy enough, and I think the battery's kind of toast. I tested it out, shut it off, couldn't connect. So I drove over to my buddy Phil's house. We went through a whole litany of different adapters and everything, and we are powered again. So off to the test track. We're back at the test track, and I'm going to turn around and do our first run. This is standard acceleration. It is not boosted. We're going to do 2 runs. Turn around up here and head back.
30.
Let's set up a couple things. Go here. As you can see, we are in standard acceleration and standard steering.
30. 30. Quarter mile.
And we're coming up to our start right here. Okay, right by this telephone pole. Okay, come to a complete stop. We will reset Draggy. And we're reset. 3, 2, 1.
30. 60.
All right, so that's number 1 run. We'll turn around and do another one here. We're at 82% on the battery. Let me save it. All right, first time it was 4.77 seconds, and but I couldn't save the graph on my other phone, so I'm not sure what's up with that. So I think what I'll do is try it again. If we still have no luck, then what I'm going to do is switch phones, and we'll video with the other phone. All right, I think here is the place, maybe. Pull over, flip it around. All right, here we go. We're in standard. I'll reset the Draggy up here. I'd like to see a graph on Draggy here. All right, here's our start point, this telephone pole. I'll stop quickly. We'll reset Draggy and we're ready to go. 3, 2, 1.
Fuji. 60.
All right, 60. Yep. All right, let's have a look here. See what we got. And it was 0 to 60 in 5 seconds. Okay, let's see if I can see a graph. See, I'm not seeing the graph. All right, we're gonna bail on this version of Draggy and we'll switch to the phone and we'll record with our small phone. All right, I switched to my main phone here, and it downloaded the latest satellites to Draggy, and we're going to be videoing here with the second phone. We'll run another one here. First one showed 4.7 seconds. The second was just at 5. We'll run 2 new ones here, and we'll see how it goes. Find a place to turn around, which is first up here. Flip a Huey. Bing bong dong bing. Okay. All right, standard acceleration, and Draggy is here. It is connected and working. We'll go ahead and pull up to our start point here, which is this telephone pole. And here we are. We're coming to a complete stop. Reset Draggy. Here we go on 3. 1, 2, 3. 81%. Okay. Hope it recorded it. Yeah, it did. Alright, so we're just going to flip a UE. Stop here for a minute. Alright, that was a good one. Verified on Draggy. It was 4.78 seconds, 0 to 60. And we'll flip around and run another one up here. We were at 81%. Been a little higher if I would have had less Draggy issues, but it's okay. Battery's old. I had to plug it in, didn't have a cable, had to go to Phil's house, and he was nice enough to loan me a cable. All right, well, let's turn it around again. Still on standard acceleration. Get to our launch point right here. All right, here we are. We're coming to a complete stop. We will reset Draggy. Reset. 3, 2, 1, go. All right. Okay. All right, here we are. Let's have a look. Success. All right, let's have a look here. We'll go to here. Valid at 4.79, so it's pretty consistent. I'll do a screenshot. There we are. All right, now the next step is we're going online to Tesla. We are going to get the speed boost. Let's get to that. Now, this is the new Model Y. I've renamed it several times. Let's go here. We have 10,080 points. What we're going to do now is go to redeem. We'll go over here to upgrades. On upgrades, we can do enhanced autopilot, self-driving, and acceleration boost. That's 9,500. And arc flash is the one. We're going to say redeem. All right, total due 9,500. Redeem credits. Let's see what happens here now. Order received. Your car will upgrade on, it said Wi-Fi. Uh-oh. That's not a good thing, because I don't have Wi-Fi here unless I use this phone. So let's hook up the phone to Wi-Fi here now. I'm going to put it in park. This just gets better and better. In order for the speed boost to take effect, it has to hook to Wi-Fi. Yeah, I was able to get it to hook up here. So next thing is, let's see if I can get this to start. I think it said something like next time I do something. So I'm going to power down the car and power it back up and see what we get here. Good news, yes, I was able to pull it off. I connected my phone to Wi-Fi eventually, and as you can see, we now have Sport instead of Standard. All right, let's set up Draggy here, and we will get to it. It's here, there it is, there's Draggy. I think we're connected. All right, let's make this happen here. Took a little messing around. The acceleration boost went right through, but had a pop-up that said something to the effect of next time you restart. So what I did is powered down the car and then powered it back up, and the acceleration boost took advantage here and installed. So we're good. All right, we're gonna do our first run with the acceleration boost here now. All right, we've turned around and we're coming up to our launch site here, which is right here. Come to a complete stop. Reset Draggy. Come on. Really? There we go. Okay, on 3. Oh, here comes another car. Shoot. Just gonna wait till he goes by. I'll freak him out otherwise. Make sure nobody comes up behind me here. This is a pretty desolate road, but it is holiday, so... Oh, it's a Beamer. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh. Okay, that's enough of that. Wow, that's pretty decent. Have a look at Draggy here. It said success on the screen. Let's have a look. All right, let's have a look here. All right. Valid. We'll take a look here. 4.27 seconds. Let me save this. All right. So it went from 479 to 427. So let's do one more. I will say it is a little spicier by, well, about a half second, I think. You guys can do the math, figure out how to move the mass a half a second faster. It's pretty good, I guess. All right, here we go. All right, get up to our launch point. Just right here. Come to a complete stop. Reset Draggy. Come on. There we go. 3, 2, 1. That worked. Looks like it did. I can't see it yet. All right, let's have a look. It says verified, and 0 to 60 showing 4.4. Our state of charge is at 79. It is valid, so I'm going to take it. I'm going to do a screenshot of it. And we're heading for the barn. Actually, we're heading to Phil's house. We got to get him his cables back. So it's a big improvement, at least with a little higher state of charge. It was a little faster, but it proves the point that speed boost is good to have. All right, let's move on down the road here. Well, that was fun. Yeah, you saw the timing on a stock long-range Model Y, and it was 4.79 seconds, 0 to 60. And after the acceleration boost, I got 4.27 verified by Draggy, and then the Second run was messed up, and the third run was 4.42 seconds. So it's significantly faster. A lot of people say, well, why do you need to go fast? I never drive fast. Well, that may be. But I'll tell you one thing. I've driven enough to know that there is occasional time you need to punch it to get out of the way of something. I'm not saying you drive like Mario Andretti. I'm saying that you need that speed boost. You got to have it. And it may make the difference between you getting into a wreck or not. I know, who knows? But it's happened a couple times for me in all my driving, having a performance vehicle to be able to accelerate quickly and get out of the way of a truck or whatever it was that pretty near creamed me. I'll buy it every single time. If you have a regular long-range Model Y and want speed boost, it's easy to do. Being in the country here, it was a little more difficult. You do need a Wi-Fi connection, and that allowed me to use my phone for Wi-Fi. I reset the car and it came alive, and I was able to add the acceleration boost while out here in the county. Worked out fine. So if you're considering to buy the acceleration boost for your Tesla, you can see the exact difference in numbers here on the Draggy. If you like today's video, give me a like, and if you would, please subscribe. Pass it on to your friends. I'm pretty sure they'd like to see my videos as well. The referral link shown here at the bottom of the screen will get you a discount buying a Tesla. I think the current discount is $500 or $1,000, and you get 3 months of full self-driving. So it's a pretty decent deal. Prices have been as low as they've been in as long as I can remember, and it's a really great deal. Remember, you want a Tesla, so just go buy one. I'm pretty sure you won't argue. You'll really like it. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you again, and take care.